Alright, so it's Dave here again from Rampant Wolf Games with
Britt.
my wife Brittany. And this is what happens when Canada Post takes a long time to deliver stuff. We have 3 boxes at once to do packing of.
So the first box looks like it's from 401 Games in Toronto. He's trusting me with a knife and it's actually kind of frightening. Better not cut myself on camera.
That would be bad. It would be documented then.
So David orders these. He doesn't tell me what he orders, and then it's kind of a surprise for me later on. So the first game that we have is called The Island of Dr. Lucky.
Basically, you're all trying to kill him.
Oh, okay. It doesn't really say that in the explanation. And then the next game is, if I can hold on to it, is Dinosaur Island from Pandasaurus Games.
So basically Jurassic Park.
Yes, so it looks like there's research components to this and exploring the island. Ooh. Now, anytime we see a legacy game, we know that it's either going to be a very, very good game because you need to make sure that you get quality in the one time you're supposed to play it. So this one is Betrayal Legacy, which I'm going to assume is Betrayal at House on the Hill, but
Legacy.
the legacy version. So usually these are played once. We kind of gimmick it so that we can play it in the future, maybe another campaign or whatnot. And that's it for 401 Games. Next one is, it says Mantic, but where is this actually from?
This is wave 2 of Star Saga.
Which is the space version of Dungeon Saga,
That'd be correct.
which we have.
I think it's
You moved it.
It's right behind you. Literally right if you were facing me, it's right behind you. If you reach out behind you, right beside Pulsar, it's right there.
Oh, Star Saga. I was looking for Dungeon Saga.
No, Dungeon Saga's over there.
Right. Used to be over there.
Yes.
Not going nuts. He just moves things on me all the time. So yes, so there is Star Saga Terror in the Deep expansion. Oop, that fell over. Retake the Black Star Station. Devil's Betrayal.
For some reason when you said that, I feel like I hear the curse your inevitable bitch, but expected betrayal. I can't remember how that word line.
So totally.
Curse your inevitable, but I am.
He's failing, and I'm not even attempting because I don't know. Beyond Eris mission book, and then looks like one of the monsters, maybe. Oh no, this is the Fear in the Darkness expansion. I don't know why it's not on the front like all the other ones. And the Character and Mission Creator expansion. So I guess this is you make your own characters. I'm going to assume. And you said this was happening.
Yep, I did.
1 pack of minis. 2 pack of minis. You can't see behind him right now, but there is a lot of minis for me to paint right now, and I'm super slow. Alright, that was it for me. The next one is Great Board Games.
Not even sure what's in this because it took so long to get here. But really it didn't.
So this is what, October?
I think so, yeah. I haven't actually bought anything this month, I don't think. Even Black Friday, I didn't buy anything.
Of course.
Ah, yes.
Is this the newest?
Well, no, it's another core set. So we can...
The card game, we have it way up in the corner up there. You wanted to get more cards so we can get more people.
Players.
And then I drop it. Cry Havoc, which looks like it's a strategy game. Tactical strategy.
Yeah, I think it's got deck building in it and other stuff too.
And then, to grow our ever-increasing collection of Colt Express, we have, I think these are expansions for characters.
I think so, yeah.
So each of the characters for Colt Express. And that looks like that's all, folks.
So that was been Dave from Rampant Wolf Games. Hi.
And Brittany, Dave's wife.
Catch you all later. Remember, the rules are just a suggestion. Play the game how you want to play it.